Narrated by Abu Huraira. People say that I have narrated many ahadith. Had it not been for two verses in the Qur'an from Surah Baqarah, ayat number 159 and 160, I would have not narrated a single hadith, and the verses are: Verily, those who conceal the clear sign and the guidance which we have sent down upon the most merciful. And no doubt our Muhajir brothers used to be busy in the market with their businesses, and our Ansari brothers used to be busy with their property agriculture. But I, Abu Huraira, used to stick to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, contented with what will fill my stomach, and I used to attend that which they used not to attend, and I used to memorize at which they used not to memorize.